Salvete omnes. I thought it might be helpful if you had a video as well to go along with the notes that we took yesterday about the stage 2 grammar. So I want you to consider the following sentence. The friend greets Caecilius. Who is doing the action? Well, the friend is. Who is receiving the action? Caecilius. Well, in stage 2, we're going to learn some fancy terms for the person who does the action, or it might even be a thing doing the action, and a second term that describes the person or the thing receiving the action. So the doer versus the receiver. The person or the thing doing the action is called the subject. The person or the thing receiving the action is called the direct object. Now, we're going to look at some sentences in English, and we are going to label the subject and also the direct object. Sentence number 1, the catcher dropped the ball. Who dropped the ball? The catcher. The catcher is the subject. What did the catcher drop? The ball. The ball is the direct object. Sentence 2, the student reads the book. Who reads the book? The student does. The student is the subject. What did the student read? The book. The book is the direct object. Sentence number 3, the truck plowed the snow. What plowed the snow? The truck did. Notice in sentence 3, it's a thing doing the action. You can still have a thing. It can still be the subject. What did the truck plow? The snow. The snow is the direct object in sentence number 3. Now, I want you to notice where the direct object usually is in the sentence. Notice, all right, the ball, the book, and the snow, they all come after the action word, what we would call the verb. So in English, the direct object usually is the noun right after the verb, the action word. Now, remember our sentence, the friend greets Caecilius. I want to take a look at that same sentence now, but in Latin. Amicus Caecilium salutat. Where is the subject in the sentence? Well, it's amicus. Notice how it's the first word of the sentence, just like in English. Now, where is the direct object in this sentence? This is where Latin is different than English. Notice Caecilius, all right, it's first of all written Caecilium, and secondly, it's before the verb salutat. And these are the two big takes from the stage 2 grammar. Just like in that sentence, Caecilium, all right, the Latin direct object will often end in the letter M. And secondly, in Latin, the direct object usually comes before the verb rather than after the verb like it does in English. These two things are going to be situations that you'll have to become aware of and get used to. Thank you for your attention.